What's going on, guys? I got an urgent market update for you today. We have Bitcoin sitting right around $36,500 or so. An absolute crazy 24 hours of volatility. We pumped all the way up to around 36K from our like mid-range here. Then we dumped all the way back down to 35. And then within the past like 12 hours, we freaking ripped it all the way to 38. And then in the past hour, we came all the way back down to under 36. And this market is just insane right now. It seems like things are just getting crazy. And, you know, it's also crazy the timing of when we're pumping now, breaking out of this range that we were in. I'm going to pull up some fractals later on in the video and go through that. And then we'll look at some of the altcoins and what's happened on this drop here. It's just it's absurd. But none of this financial advice, by the way, just some dude that likes crypto, been buying crypto for a couple years and staring at the charts probably way more than I should be. So we'll get into some tweets first, and then we'll hop back over to the charts. So first from Ash Crypto, he goes, Bitcoin is pumping hard. Very excited here as we're pushing 38K. And then now within the past hour, who the fuck is selling Bitcoin as we're straight lining down to back under 36? Insanity. The volatility is just insane. And I think this is just, it demonstrates the swing of emotion that we're going to have uh, during what I believe to be the start of this bull market. Because things are going to go up really fast, but they're also going to come back down really fast. And we have from Satoshi Stacker, nearly 150 million has been liquidated in the past hour alone. So you can see here in the past like 24 hours, mostly shorts got liquidated, right? Because we're just pumping straight up. And then within the past hour, so many lawns just got absolutely destroyed. We just came straight down. And I'm going to show you once we get over the altcoin charts uh, just how crazy this move actually just was. So, and then we also have from Crypto Michael. He goes, "This is exactly what I meant about getting in before the move. They'll continuously try to take out the leverage lawns on the way up, so don't get chopped out." And this is exactly why I personally don't try and trade, especially with leverage, because they will move straight up like this and then just wreck people like in a quick wick that just takes everybody out of their position unless you got in like super early down here, right? So I don't really mess with the leverage and the longs and the shorts. I like to buy, dollar cost average, and hold, and have a sell plan for when Bitcoin starts breaking all-time highs and the altcoins hopefully follow. So let's go back to the chart really quick. I'm going to pull up a fractal on the daily. I'm sure you've seen this before if you are into crypto creators or watching people's videos. But if we pull up the fractal from when our bull run started in 2020, right? We come over here and we line it up. It's just the timing of this is impeccable. So we have our breakout right here in 2020, and then we're in this range. And then it says if we were to follow the timeline from the last breakout to when we broke out in 2020, should have broke out 2 days ago. But we're like 2 days late. We broke out right here. You can see that, how on time that is to get a breakout of that range that we were in, that little upwards consolidation, and then pop straight through. The timing is just, I don't know how the markets work, dude. I think they're all controlled and all manipulated, right? But it's just crazy to see things like this continue to play out. And again, if we were to see continuation here from the low, that means we're probably going to have almost 40K on deck here within the next week or so, right? And then 50K by early December. So we'll see if that continues to play out. But this is huge because, as we all know, as of right now, Bitcoin still leads the market. So we need this move to happen for altcoins to continue to pop off. I know the altcoins have been going crazy within the past few days and this past week, but as we can see here, Bitcoin just started moving up, and it was mostly making this move on its own. We go over to Bitcoin dominance, right? Bitcoin dominance was rising up, And then we got that sharp pullback that we just had. And dude, the altcoins got wrecked. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up on a smaller time frame so you can see how huge these candles were. We'll start with XRP. So XRP, we're in this pattern, right? We pushed to 73 cents, pulled back a little, we're consolidating, okay, like a bit of a rising triangle. I thought we broke out of this falling wedge. We're in this triangle now, but we could not break through that like 69, 70 cent level. We tried a couple times here with the push on Bitcoin, and then, dude, this candle, 8% in, let's see how low the time frame goes. Yeah, like 15 minutes. We went from here to here, 8% in a 15-minute candle, dude. Craziness, but that's not even bad compared to some of the other ones. Let's hop over to Algo. Dude, Algo, 12 cents, a 17% drop in a 15-minute candle. This is the shit that's gonna happen, dude. So you just gotta be ready. Algo 10 or H bar 10%, 15-minute candle. XLM, let's see, 15% in a 15-minute candle. So in a time like this, keep our eyes on Bitcoin. Bitcoin did a massive run, and as of right now, it's still at like $36,500. So it's not like we've collapsed all the way back down to like these pre-pump levels. Just a sharp pullback. I think it's just to liquidate people, scare people in the market. We also have Ethereum now, which got a nice push up. I think it was on the news that BlackRock looks like they're trying to start working towards a ETH spot ETF. Again, I'm not a big fan of ETH, but it still is one of the big players, and if it's moving up, that's good for the altcoins. So we'll see what happens over the next few days, next few weeks. Uh, Still hoping for this XRP fractal to play out. Let's pull it up one time before we go. Oh yeah, I already have it. Perfect. I think I have it on the monthly. Yeah, so the XRP fractal from 2017 would suggest that this month is our takeoff. Next month we continue, and we should be seeing all-time highs within the next 3 months, 4 months. So it looks good. Bitcoin's doing what it needs to do, breaking out. The altcoins just got slaughtered in the past hour or so, but that should be a temporary thing. And as Bitcoin pushes back up and continues, everything will recover. I think it was just quick liquidations, and we should be back in no time. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the update, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.